Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to eat at the Vietnamese restaurant.
Summer rain.
This place is very spacious. Cool.
Watch the time float on.
This is where you got the bubble tea?
Yeah.
Oh,
good.
cool.
It blows
Aw.
as I fall.
Something's coming.
Thank you. I got the taro milk tea. Try.
Oh, that's really good.
What is this? I'm not really a fan of matcha, but this one tastes so good.
You should take like those photos.
Thank you.
No, this looks good.
Good.
You're so sticky, you cannot even open your mouth.
Good, right?
You can't open your mouth.
So good.
Many times I tried, but I just don't remember.
Is that me? That's angry. That noise.
This is so good.
No try mine.
Huh?
I love it. So delicious.
Guys, look at the Washington pencil. I got the strawberry milkshake and it tastes so good.
Very good. You want a chocolate bomb?
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do
closed? Oh, it's closed. We walked 5 kilometers just to see that it's closed. Oh my god. Restaurant number 2. Oh, I think it's closed. It's closed. I don't even want to go closer to it. Oh.
We hang with your brother and he could use the company.
Look at her. And
Or shall we
look at taxi.
tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What shall we do tonight? Let's just find
Yeah.
out. Pretty blue jeans and me running through
This is so cute. It's like buying an egg with chocolate. Easter's coming. Oh, look at all these. This is my childhood. They even have like pizza. See you tomorrow. Good morning. This is my favorite tray. How is it?
I remember it absolutely the same.
Sour cherry.
Some sour candy.
Another day, another hike.
Yeah.
It's gonna rain on us. I think it's raining over there.
Oh yeah.
Those rain clouds. No! Yeah. Wala ka dyan. It's pouring over there and it's sunny over here.
What do you decide? Go down
If you search this place on Google Earth, you'll see the three of us. We missed Steph. What are you doing? Let's see. Oh my god. It's car wash day. This is my third day hiking here. Oh, it's so cool. It's 12 degrees Celsius, so it's like Baguio. But we're in the forest and it's a little, no, it's very windy. I wasn't mentally prepared to hike for 3 consecutive days.
Little by little.
I only brought 1 pair of hiking clothes because I thought we will only go once. But here I am.
Wearing my mom's jacket.
Yeah,
Here you
I
are.
even forgot my windbreaker because I really didn't want to go. So I
Or
have,
maybe it
so
was
I'll
on
have an
purpose.
excuse.
Or maybe it was on purpose, so you really have an excuse. But just when she
That's what I'm saying.
laid down this excuse, my mom said, "Oh, I have. I got you."
Ah, there's no puddle. Let's go back. There's no puddle. We can't go in. Okay, let's go back. Let's go. Are we there yet? I see hope. We're eating kufte for dinner. Oh, it's so good.
There's nobody else I'd rather spend